Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the payment app that supports credit card QR payments and unlocking your phone. This is the action step, not just prep. Make sure your credit card is added and set as the default payment method so the app will charge it rather than a bank account. Once done, activate the QR scanner or the pay screen inside the app. This aligns camera access and network connection. Do this now to move straight into scanning and avoid delays at checkout. You now scan the merchant's QR code or tap their static code within the app. Steady the phone for a clear capture. When the transaction details appear, check the merchant name and enter the exact amount. This prevents overcharges. Make sure your credit card is selected if the app offers multiple funding sources and glance at any fees or conversion rates. Why it matters. Fees affect final cost and rewards eligibility. Once everything looks correct, proceed to the authorization step to complete the charge. You finish by authorizing the payment using your chosen method, PIN, fingerprint, Face ID, or one-time code, so the app can send the charge to your card issuer. Wait for the confirmation screen and look for a transaction ID. Save or screenshot the receipt for records. Then verify your card statement for the pending charge to ensure it posts correctly. If the payment is declined, try another card, check network access, or call your bank. This troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.